Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to customize Telegram theme. Firstly guys, you need to go and open your Telegram application and then open up on the left upper side by clicking on the three dots icon. Then you need to go and select the settings side. After that you need to scroll down and looking for the settings, but on the chat section that says chat settings. Click on it, and here as you can see we have a chat settings that has been selected through messages corners, and here on that side you have a browse themes, and also you have a color theme that is instantly here right now on Telegram. For example, it is a green side, we need and go for this side for a yellow side, and also you can switch it to a night mode. But if you want to find out more themes, you need just to go for browse themes. Go on browse themes, just scroll down and go for edit current theme, and here you can pick up your color, your pattern, and everything what you want, everything what you think that is the best for you. For example, like this, we're going with everything to be as red as possible, for example like that, and just go and type for save. And here also you can build your own theme by tapping on these sites like classic, day, dark, night, arctic. Also have here designs that maybe are useful for you, maybe not, and you're just go and selecting a site. And after that, when you create new theme, for example, go create new theme, you need here to name this theme, and then as you can see, go on the right side, get back, and now guys, you know how to customize Telegram theme. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys, have a nice day.